Okay, so now we're going to take a look at arithmetic and geometric sequences, but specifically the equations on how to write these two. So an arithmetic sequence, or a sequence that is A1, A2, A3, is an arithmetic sequence if the difference between consecutive terms are consistent. So the number D, that's the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. And we have the nth term of a to the n or a to the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is given by the following formula. So we have this formula here, if it's an arithmetic, okay? So we have the initial term, a1, plus n minus 1. N is the number term we're looking for, so you might be looking for the 5th term, you might be looking for the 100th term. That's n, and then that's minus 1 times the common difference. So, if you're adding 5 each time, then you'd multiply by 5. If you're subtracting 10 each time, you'd multiply by negative 10 because you're subtracting on that one. Okay, so this is an arithmetic sequence formula. For a geometric sequence, you have the same idea here, A1, A2, A3. It's a geometric sequence if the ratios between the terms are equal. So now it's the number R is the common ratio. Remember, that's what we're multiplying or dividing by. We still can have the nth term, which we show as a to the n, because that's our nth term of a geometric sequence, and here's the formula. So now we still have our first term at the beginning, but instead of having n minus 1 times d, we have the common ratio, and n minus 1 is the exponent. So remember, this is still the term number. I can look for the 5th term, I can look for the 100th term. Whichever term I want to know, I'm going to subtract from 1, and that will be my exponent for my common ratio. And this is the number that we're either multiplying or dividing by each time to go from one term to the next. Okay, so let's see. Down here, they're asking us to determine is it arithmetic or geometric, and then to write a formula for it. So with this one, since it's going 6, 30, 150, that definitely looks like multiplication to me because it's going up very quickly. So if I multiply by 5, 6 times 5 gets me 30. If I multiply by 5 again, I do in fact get 150. So that's my common ratio, which means it's geometric because it's multiplication. Okay, so I know it's geometric, so I'm going to use this formula here. My first term, well, that's 6. It's the first number they gave me. And then my common ratio, R, is 5. And I'm going to leave n as n because I'm writing a formula for the nth term. So I have 6 times 5 to the n minus 1 power. All right, down here, 3, 7, 11, this definitely looks like addition. It's going much slower. So if I add 4 here, I go from 3 to 7. If I add 4 again, I go from 7 to 11. So that's arithmetic. So my first term, well, that's the 3 that they gave me here. My common difference, that's positive 4. So now let's plug it in here again. N is going to stay n because I'm writing it for the nth term. So I have my first term plus n minus 1 times that common difference of 4. So that's how you write an arithmetic or geometric sequence. I hope that helped, and I will see you in the next video.